y'all, so I know you're wondering, how in the world did we get here? Well, first, my client got her install put in about 4 months ago, and I like for my clients to come to me to get it taken down. So I remove all the tracks, I remove the net, and underneath the net, we had some braids that had been here. Now, since they've been up for a little while, it was a little difficult to take the braids loose. So I had to, pull the hair apart. It was very gentle. Pull the hair apart, scratch the dandruff off of the scalp, gently separate the hair to get the dirt that's all been gathered together to loosen it up. And that's what you see all over the cape. After I scratched the dandruff off her scalp, and it's nothing abrasive, very light. It was all dry, so if it would have been something wet, I wouldn't have did it. Scratched all that off her scalp, detangled her hair. That's how we did that. Once it was finished, I dusted it all out her head, and that is it. And remember, guys, there's more than one way to skin a cat. This is just my way.
Y'all already know what I'm about to say. This is not healthy at all. And I'm not blaming the stylist, because I know clients disappear all the time, right? But personally, y'all, this would be an hourly service for me. I can't do this. I've done it before, and I decided in a moment I wouldn't. So let me know in the comments, what would be your fee for this?